Student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, some applications of trigonometry, chapter 9. So here in this concept we have already learned, what are the trigonometric ratios, how trigonometry works on sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec, sec and cot theta. So today we are going to discuss in where this particular, trigonometric ratios are applied for in our day-to-day activities. So starting with, let's say a kite, a kite is flying a kite is there in the sky. Now this is the ground. Let's say this is the ground we have. A person is standing here. Okay, a person is standing here on the ground and a kite is flying in the sky. Now, if I need to find out, at how many height from the ground the kite is there. So obviously, we need to, look into some particular concept to get the answer. Let's say I want what is the height of the kite from the ground. Now, first thing. Now, whenever a person is standing here, his eyes will be on the top part, So here, along with his eyes, we'll draw an horizontal line. I'm drawing a line. This is called horizontal line. I hope everyone are getting it. This is along with the eyes of the particular person. তাৰমানে চকুৰ পুনে পুনে আমি এটা লাইন ড্ৰ কৰিছো কাৰণ আমি চকুৰ পৰাহে আমি দেখা পাম from the eyes we are going to say it. Let's say next we always see like this. For example, this kite is on the top, so always we will see in this particular form. This is called line of sight. See, is line of sight. That means from our eyes we are looking into the kite. Completely fine. Now this is the object we have. Object from the eyes, this is the horizontal line along with the this is the land. Actually this is the surface, land surface. Now here I could see one angle. It is created along with the horizontal line of sight, and the horizontal line is creating an angle. This particular angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Line of sight, angle of elevations, horizontal line. This is what the concept is. Now I said I need to find height. Now if I join this particular line along with this horizontal line, this is 1, 2, 3. This is a right angle triangle is formed. Now if we know the angle, we can easily find using any of the trigonometric ratios which is best suitable for this particular concept. We can easily get the answer. This is the first portion that we have it. Now the second topic. Let's say a building. I'm taking it as a building. This is the surface. A building is there. On the terrace, a person is standing on the top of the building. ঠিক আছে, তাৰ পৰা চাই আছে, ওপৰৰ পৰা বিল্ডিঙৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা চাই আছে. Now this is the ground surface. Let's say ইয়াত এটা বল এটা পৰি আছে, object. This is an object. Now this is the eye. Let's say this is the eyes. Along with the eyes, I'm drawing a horizontal line. Similarly, in the previous case, I'm drawing a horizontal line. Okay, this is the horizontal level. Horizontal level we always create on the basis of the eyes of the person. Let's say. Now, if I need to see down, my eyes will come like this. Fine. I mean, that means along with the horizontal line, I could got another line. This is called line of sight. This is the horizontal line. Now along with it, I could see an angle is created. This angle is called angle of depression. The first was angle of elevations, the second was angle of depressions. When we see from top to bottom, this is from bottom to top and this is from top to bottom. Now this is all the whole structure. If I can, I got an angle here. This is vertically opposite angle concept. You can get it. This is a right angle triangle. This is alternate angle concept. This is parallel lines, alternate angle. We'll see how to do it. You can easily get it. Okay, this is angle of elevations from top to down, from bottom to top, and from top to bottom we have angle of depression. Simple concept. And based on this concept, we are going to discuss, all the questions in this particular chapter 9. Now let's say we'll do one example, one small questions. I'm going to do exercise 9.1 question 1. We'll discuss in detail, but first, just for your understanding, we'll do one question here. Let's say the question says, the first question, if you see, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is slightly stretched and was from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Diagram is already given. A, B, C, this is already given. Very easy concept. Now we will see. This is what the diagram is given. A, B, C, this is 30 degree. We have 20 meter. Now I'm explaining, you see what they were talking about. A circus was there. This is the pole. Along the pole, one rope is tied. When you tie a rope, we always tie in the form of a bending way. A, C is the rope that we are tying, and this is the pole. Now, what we need to find? We have given few structures. This is 30 degree angle is already there, and this is 20 meter. Now, one thing, if I say this is a right angle triangle, this is the perpendicular part, and this is the hypotenuse. We have perpendicular and hypotenuse, and we have the angle as well. So, আমাৰ যেতিয়া perpendicular আছে, hypotenuse আছে, আৰু 30 degree আছে, kuntu trigonometric ratios, that is which is the best possible trigonometric ratios to get is, I could say this is something like P by H, or you can get it like H by P as well. It is up to you. We know, I'm directly writing, sin 30 degree equal to P by H. That means sin 30 degree equal to P means AB by AC. Sin 30 is half. AB, we need to find out AB. AC we have 20. I could say 20 by 2 equal to AB. Implies AB equal to 10 meter. Very easy concept. So I would request you to please go through the the conceptual part that we have discussed now, and also please look into all the example questions. We have around 5 example questions. Go through it. Any 6-7 example questions we have. Please go through once. We will start with the exercise from tomorrow. Thank you.